Hi, thanks for watching. I am going to show you how I make Paul's care package, and the theme is Easter basket. So first I'll show you the contents. Inside we have grass, which I got for $1 at Dollar Tree, and his favorite his barbecue sauce. It's from Dirty Buffalo. You can get it at Norfolk and Virginia Beach only. And then he loves Cholula hot sauce, so I got that for him as well. And then this was so cute. It's bunny poo. I found it at Walmart, and it's marshmallow, just shaped like poop. But I thought he'd get a kick out of it if he saw it. So there's some chocolate bunnies, some Starburst jelly beans. These ones are vegetarian friendly, so yay. Then I got his favorite chapstick, Burt's Bees pumpkin spice, some Malty gummies, and some cotton candy. And Easter eggs. I'm not filling these with candy. Instead, I'll fill them with love notes. I got him even more candy. Chocolate egg crisp. Oh, and Pocky sticks. We both love these. These were a childhood favorite for both of us. And then I got him some souvenirs. So this I got him when I was in Mexico City. This I got when I was in Vegas because he and I both love Gordon Ramsay. So at the restaurant, they allow you to take the menu as a souvenir. And this is a love note because, yeah, and that was Champ running. And this is a hideous school ID from Shaker. My husband likes to collect old hideous photos of me. And here's some chocolate. And then a toy, because every Easter basket has a toy, so I got him some toy darts. All right, so if you watched the previous video, you know how I cut these out. If not, I recommend that you go watch. In order to make this cute little egg, you'll need a white chalk pen, which I got from Walmart. You can get these from Walmart or any craft store, and a gold Sharpie. You can use whatever color you like, but I like the white and gold. So next, I drew the egg out first, and then I traced it, and I cut it out many times, so I got the 4 eggs. So I used it as a template. So you use the gold on the white because you want the color to stand out. And the patterns that I used were pretty much just zigzags, straight lines, and polka dots. I kept it pretty simple because I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. And then I wrote a cute note. And then for the yellow egg, I used both the gold and the white so that I could have some contrast. And by the 4th egg, I was done with making patterns, so I just wrote a note and then drew a few squiggles. Now you're going to glue the eggs onto the paper, and you've already made sure that these papers can fit. Oh, there's my baby. She doesn't leave for most of this, but as you already saw, we're just gluing the back of the eggs and placing them onto the opposite color poster paper for the flaps. She stays there for quite some time, so if you want to, you can fast forward, but she moves eventually. One second, gotta help my baby. There we go. All right, now we're done with the eggs, so we're going to write notes on them. All right, if you want, you can fast forward this. Like I said before, I'm just writing a note. I'll only show you what I did for one flap. All right, now I finished all 4 of them, and you will see them all in a moment. We're going to glue them to the box now. So this first time I glued the box and learned my error with doing it that way, so I recommend my second way of gluing the paper before putting it on the box. Makes your life 10 times easier. See, there I go, gluing the paper instead of the box this time, and it's gonna just fit in place with no errors. All right, it's all done. So now we're gonna fill the box up with the contents. So I just throw everything in. For the glass products, which are these 2, I bubble wrap them so that they don't break and spill in the box. All right, once done, you fill everything up and put grass on top, and then those are the eggs with the love notes. And the bunny is hidden, but I made sure that his head poked out a little bit. And this is it. If you like this video, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.